talk about beam, column and footing. Okay, how you can create a structural beam, column and footing for your project. Let's start. Select the template, structural template. You can select from here. Okay, structural template has been opened. Now you can click on the level 1. Okay, you can check unit from here. If you don't know how to check the unit, press UN and you can change the unit here. Suppose I want this unit in feet and inches, I can change the unit in inches. If you want the unit in meters, you can change the unit in meters. Okay, suppose I want in inches, so I placed inches. Okay. Go in east elevation or any elevation, you will see 2 levels is already created by default. If you want to create more levels, you can create also. Here you can see in datum levels is there. Click on the level. And you can choose this one also, peak line. If you are choosing this one, you can give here offset 10 feet and just you click on the level line. Level will be created automatically this here. You want to create one more level, you can click from here. You will see. Okay, in this way you can create the level. Suppose you want to create your grids, so go in grid. Here you can create the grid. Suppose I want grid 10 feet. We can name it as A, and next it will automatically take B. You can see. Okay. Now we set the dimension of the grid. Suppose click here on the dimension. Okay, suppose we want the distance between these two grid is our requirement is 10 feet. So click on this grid line, then 10 feet. Okay, in this grid line we require 12 feet. Enter. In this grid we require again 10 feet. Enter. Okay, in this way you can, suppose we want 12 feet. Enter. 10 feet. Enter. 10 feet. Enter. 12 feet. Okay, in this way you can adjust here. Okay, in this way you can adjust your grid. So now grid has been created. If you want to edit, you can edit also grid. Here you can change the grid color and grid pattern also. In this way you can change grid pattern and grid color also. Okay, after proper placing this grid, now we go on the column structure tab and go in column. You will see some column size has been already given. You can select from here, or you can go and from load family you can choose from load family. So for a small project, let's we take this one. If you want to edit the size, you can go here, create duplicate, and you can edit also. Okay, suppose I have to place this column here, so you can place column like this. Okay, you go in 3D, you will see you can see the column has been placed below the level 1. So select all column and we can select this base level. Top level is level 2 and base level is 0. Okay, now you can see the level has been, the column has been placed on the accurate level. Let's see in 3D. Okay, now the column has been placed. Here we have to place a column here also. So select this one, select height and level 2. Okay, okay, so now we have to place the beam, structural beam. Click on structure, you will click on the beam. You will see some size has been given. Here you can see HSS bar also is there. So we have to take the concrete bar. Suppose we want to change the edit the size, so go here, create duplicate. Suppose we take 300 into 550. Okay, go in, change the here. This one we want. 12 inch. You can press the column, select here, mid of this and press here, and again select here, press here. You can copy paste also. If you want to copy paste, you can do also copy paste, but it's small project, that's why I am doing like this. I will show one shortcut also how to create the grid and column within a second. Keep watching. I will show you in the last of the video how to create column and beam on the grid within few seconds. Beam has been placed. Going 3D. You can see the all beam has been placed on the ground level. So for that we have to select all beam, select all beam, start level 10 feet. So select all beam, feet. Okay, now we will see beam has been placed on the level 2. Okay, now suppose we have to place the footing. Okay, so go in structure, you will see isolated footing. Click here, you will see the size of the footing. If you want to change or edit the size, you can edit also. So suppose I am placing this footing. Okay, go in 3D. You can see footing has been placed. In this way you can place the footing. Suppose we want this hole select all the column, and suppose we want to place on the second floor, so go and copy here, paste. You can select 2, 3 and 4. Now you will see it has been placed. It will be placed on all the floor. Now you can select this beam, select all, copy, paste. Okay. You can see beam has been placed. We don't need this one, so delete this one. So you can see beam and column has been placed in all the floor. In this way you can place the structural beam and column. Okay, suppose let's delete all this beam and column. Suppose I am deleting all this. Go in 3D, select from the top, so now everything has been deleted. You can see now everything has been deleted. Suppose you want to create beam column in structure in few seconds, so you have to just click on the column, select your column size, and here you will see all grid option. Click on all grid option and just select all the grids and finish. Now we will see, go in 3D. Now you will see column has been placed. Okay, you can see, go in level 1. If you want to place the beam, select the beam, select your sizes. Okay, now you can click here on grid, select the grid and finish. You can see, select all this and okay, give 10 feet and level also 10 feet. Okay, you will see beam has been placed. Within a second, column and beam has been placed. Okay, in this way you can place the column and beam. And suppose you want to place in all floor, select all, SA, press SA, copy, line, place on all the level. Select all beam, copy and place in all the level. you can see within few seconds you can create your beam and column, structural beam and column, by using the grid option. Okay, in this way you can create your structural beam and column. And footing also, if you want to place the footing, go in here, select your footing, select your footing size and go at grids and select all this grid and finish. Go in 3D, you will see footing has been placed. Okay, if you want this file, I will link you in this description. You can download from there. Okay, thank you for watching the video.